What's up guys, we're back with one day at a time, and today is just one random morning. The reason why I'm doing this vlog is this is our first snowstorm for this year when I start vlogging during the summer, I believe. I haven't had a chance to capture any of the blizzard or the snowstorm for you guys. I mean, for those who are living in the New England area, what's up, hi, and I'm pretty sure you guys out there are shoveling right now. It's the standard routine, but and I'm about to do the same thing. Before I head outside, I want to do this vlog for those who aren't living in the New England area, just to have a peek into our, one of our standard snowstorm procedure. So you wake up, obviously you gotta watch the weather to see what time it ends, because you don't want to keep on shoveling or plowing or blow the snow and then it'll come right back. For this one itself, I checked, it's gonna end around 4 p.m. It's currently around 2 p.m. which is fine. I mean, within 2 hours it can't accumulate that much with the current pace outside. If it's like heavy snowstorm, 2 hours can accumulate a lot, so you don't want to do it yet. Otherwise you have to do it twice anyways. But the standard procedure is just wake up and see what time it ends and time it right. Actually, I mean, you don't want to do it too late where you have to use the snow blowers too loud and then you're gonna disturb the neighbor. But then if you wait too long, the snow is gonna eventually harden up because it's cold outside. Right now the snow is still soft. You want to work on it, it's easy. The snow blower is gonna go right through it. When it's hard, the snow blower have a hard time grinding up the snow and it's gonna give you a harder time. Same thing with shoveling. Right now you could just go ahead and push it, just like it's like thin air. But if you wait longer, it's gonna turn into ice. And if somehow it rained too, and then it's gonna turn into slush, it get more messy. I actually just woke up. I woke up late today because I stayed out late last night. I believe I have a short clip of it on driving home, because when I left the event, it was around 5 to 6 inches already, and driving was pretty crazy. You have to go slow, it's very slippery, and you can't really go fast because the plow truck is it's in front of you blocking the road, because they're doing their job. They are plowing the snow and applying salt to the road. I believe I have a short clip of that. This vlog wasn't planned. Woke up this morning just doing the standard, snowstorm routine, go plow the snow, shoveling the snow. But I figure I'll have this on vlog for those of you who don't live in the New England area. This is what we have to go through. But the people that live in New England, we hate the snow. It's cold, it's messy, and we have to go out and shovel the snow. Otherwise, a car can't go in and out of the driveway. And you gotta shovel the sidewalk, otherwise if people fall on your property, you'll get sued. Nothing really good come out of it. This type of snowstorm, usually I say more than half of the business are closed, because there's no point in really opening. No one in their right mind is gonna go into a car and go cut their hair or go get the nails done. So most of the business are closed because for several reasons. They snowed in, the car can't get out of the spot. If they open, there won't be any customer or enough to make it worth it. And a lot of time, if your business is closed, I mean the school's closed, because every time it's over 6 inch, that's a standard around here in Boston. Anytime it's over 6 inch, the school are closed. So then if the kids aren't going to school, you gotta stay home and watch them too. I'm pretty sure there's more random reasons, but those are the main ones that I can come up from the top of my head. But again, I'm about to head out and walk on the snow. So before I do that, I figure I'll check in with you guys and capture this footage for those of you who are interested, especially the one that doesn't live around here in the New England area. Alright, I'll get to it. But before that, I'll show you several views around the house. It's pretty crazy out there. Just from looking out the window, it looked like it's about 15 inch or so from the ground. 15 inch up, so that's about this much up of snow. But alright, let's get to it. Here's a view of the backyard. See the snow right there? That's the floor. That's about, from 12 to 15 inch. And you can see outside. That's the grill. See how high that is? Like, I have a fire pit outside. I don't know if you can see right there. I have a fire pit outside and it's like buried in the snow, and that's about 12 inch high. Yeah, if you stick a ruler down, it's about 15 inch, and it's still going for like another 2 to 3 hours. This is what the backyard look like. And I'll show you the front now. Yep, and yeah, everybody out there shoveling snow, as you can see. See that? People across the street, the plow truck. And this is what the front look like. Again, that's the door. If I open it, the snow's gonna go in. It's about 15 inch up. And yeah, I really gotta remove these leaves. Those are there for Thanksgiving. But this is what the front yard look like. That's the driveway. That's where we're gonna mainly work on, because that's where the car gotta go in and out. And see that? Most of the people already work on this snow. Yeah, a lot of time you sign a contract with those plow truck. Whenever it's snow, they come by, they take care of the snow for you. It's probably like each time they come out, it's like around 60 bucks or so. I actually bought a snow blower last year myself, so I could just use that. But imagine all this without a snow blower. It's gonna take you a lot of energy and probably 4 hours out there. It's a lot of work. With the snow blower, it's probably like a half an hour to 45-minute job. But again, this is what the front yard look like. And I've already shown you the back, so we're gonna go out and grab the snow blower. Now we're gonna go grab jackets and stuff, trying to stay warm. As close as possible because it's freezing out there. Me and Bella Sriracha. If you follow my channel, you've seen her hand there. Alright, I'll check back in when I get to the snowblower. See ya. So I just got to the garage. The snowblower is right there, the orange machine in the middle. So like I said, there's about 15 inches of snow outside, so as soon as I open up the garage, the snow is might be pouring in. So here it is. As you can see. Alright, so here's our snowblower. We gotta somehow manage to get it outside. But I'll give you a quick tutorial just in case those of you who want to get one and might feel intimidated to know how to use it. So there's a key, there's a start button, and here's the choke controller, meaning how high you want the engine to be. Fast, they have a rabbit and a turtle on it. Fast or slow, that's about, and then make sure you apply gas. And that's about it, just regular gas that you put in your car. Alright, so this is the controller. It's more like a car. So you press, once it's on, I mean you can figure it out. The hardest part is just to get it on. Once you get it on, you just press whatever button and whatever it does, you figure it out slowly. But I mean it's all labor anyways. So this is the button to drive, so the wheel will go forward, so you don't have to push, you don't have to use any energy at all. Spin the blade. This is to operate the blade, this is to control the speed of the blade. This is to control what direction, like how far you want to shoot the snow out. See that? That will control where you want the snow. And this twist right here is where you want the snow to be, left or right, where you want to spit the snow. But those are all easy once the engine come on. It also have a manual starter when you pull the thing, but it's, from my experience, it's very hard to turn on using that. So it comes with electrical. You plug the electrical wire in and plug it to the wall. It comes right on. Once the engine is hot, and if you somehow need to shut off your engine, you can turn it right back on using the manual. The first one, trying to just get it back up, that's very hard. So I recommend for starting up, unless you're out on the road, you have no choice, then you use the manual one. But I'm not 100% remember because you know, it's been a year since I used this, but I believe the first step is to turn it on, and then, well, obviously you have to add gas. Put gas in here, and then you turn it on, and then you press this one. This button is to pump. This button is to pump the gas into the engine, because right now the engine is like dried up, no gas in there. So this is one to pump the gas into the engine. Oh yeah. So and then put this on start. Pump gas into the engine, put this on start, and put it on medium level between the rabbit and the turtle. This is to dictate how fast you want the engine to be running, or how aggressive you want the engine to be running. And then once you plug it in, this is the start button right here. Once you press this button, it's gonna start up like a car. So I'm gonna try that now. I mean, I'm pretty sure I have to do it a couple of times before I get it up. That's usually normally the case. But I'll have it on camera so you guys can see it. It's really not that hard. And I gotta figure out a way to get this thing out of the house first, because it's gonna be really loud in the garage. So I'll do that now. As you can see, Bella been shoveling manually. She got about 6 by 6 square foot area. And then now she's gonna go work on the stairs. Do the stairs because I can't do that with the blower. So she's gonna do manual with the stairs while I trying to get this thing up and running. Not sure I can get it up. I've managed to get it outside. Now let's try to get it up. Plug in the cable. See, fuel on. Let's check to see if there's any fuel. Just regular gasoline. Alright, filled it up. Haven't used it in a year, so I hope it still works. Alright, so first up, pump the gas in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As I pump the gas in, I can smell it very strong already. You don't need it no more. Whew, what's up guys? We're checking back in. I'm not sure how long I was out there. I think we were out there for like 2 hours. But anyways, my pants all soaked. My hands are numb. I can barely turn it on and off the camera. As you can see, this is the New England lifestyle. Whenever it have a storm over 6 inch, even 3 to 4 inch, still have to pull the snow or shovel. Because if you don't, when tomorrow or the next few days, when it get cold or even rain, the rain will turn into slush and will just make everything messy. If it get cold, it's gonna turn to ice, and then when you the car can't get out, when you walk on it, you fall. When people walk by on the sidewalk, they'll slip and fall, and I can sue you. But yeah, as you can see, it's probably most gonna be fast on time lapse on a fast speed, because otherwise the video will be way too long. I believe I was out there for like 2 hours or so. At the beginning, Bella helped with the steps, and then she trying to mess up. She worked a little bit on the snow blower. It's very easy to use, as you can see. It's our first time on it. It took me under a minute to explain it. The right handlebar control the blade. The left handlebar control the drive, so that you don't have to use your energy and push. It's the wheel move forward. And I show a short tutorial for those of you who are interested on getting one, because even with myself before, when I thought about getting a snowblower, I was intimidated that I might not be able to know how to work one, but it's very easy. Yeah, you feel intimidated because you never worked on one before, but it's really simple. It's pretty much 1, 2, 3, ABC. It's just the starting up take a little bit to get used to. You can look it up on YouTube or watch this part tutorial. It require just a few steps. Insert the gas, pump the gas into the system, and make sure the fuel knob is on, the engine knob is on, and then plug in the electrical and press the starter button just like you would do on a car, and it'll come right on. I mean, I remember last year it took me about 15-20 minutes to start it up, because I don't know which step first, which step comes first, which step comes second. So I had to phone a friend who have already bought one and have been already using it, and I also use and go on YouTube tutorial. Yeah, so from my own experience, it's not hard at all. Make the job easy. Today it's actually kind of hard because the snowblower comes with all different size, different inches. So with today's storm, my snowblower is slightly smaller than it needs to be. So it have a hard time eating into the snow because the snow is too high. I believe it's around 18 to 20 inch. So it's have a hard time chewing up the snow, so it's keep on getting stuck. But like with that size, if the snow is like 12 inch or below, it'll chew right up. It'll go right through like it's butter. So I'm just gonna wrap up the video here. Hopefully it's not too long, especially for those who are not in the New England area. Just want to see some snow action. So that's it. I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Peace out, and hopefully I'll see you again. And yeah, any suggestion or comment if you want to see more videos similar to this or different type, let me know. Peace out.